Making focaccia is a great way to try your hand at baking. But this bread, like all the others, has a few key techniques that one needs to follow to get it right. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Focaccia bread may not be a guaranteed success at the first attempt for everyone. I will therefore guide you through this recipe, pointing out all the important things. Just follow along and you would have baked the perfect focaccia by the end of it, even if you may be doing this for the very first time. Let's get cooking. You'll want to create a moist dough with ideally a minimum of 70% hydration. A crucial step is to be very generous with the olive oil. Pretty much every step involves some olive oil. It should be in the dough, used to grease the resting bowl, the baking sheet, and it's brushed on the bread before it goes in the oven. See how the dough glides in as I drop it into the bowl? See how moist the dough is? The oil seals in the hydration. Notice the soft, mushy, almost gooey texture? The dough is already sticky and slippery with oil, but like I said, almost every step needs oil. Focaccia's poke-marked appearance results from indentations made in the dough to prevent large bubbles from appearing on its surface during baking. Be very gentle while doing this. Having a loaf of it ready at hand can help make some quick veg and non-veg sandwiches. Very wholesome and healthy homemade snack. These are much tastier than regular bread sandwiches, but just as easy and quick to make. Serve them as finger food at your next party or potluck. Also, a great lunchbox idea for kids. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Hope you enjoy the recipe, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.